Yeah, we got a local engine coming in. Yeah, it's the local. You know, he stopped. The local's coming in now. You see? Oh yeah, look at that old engine from the 80s. Local doing his job. Gonna get moving as well. That via train. A double train meet on the same track, passenger train moving, and we got ourselves a local that is pushing itself. There you go, a nice day in Brockville, guys. Doesn't want to deal with the local. Huh? Ready. Never know though, that's right.